today, David?
Wakefield. Yeah, we've come to explore the Rhubarb Festival, and just behind me I've been seeing some advertising about the different flavoured rhubarbs with custard, and of course it's making me feel a bit tempted to something, maybe not now but later on, whether it's something to have somewhere here, or if it can be something to take home with me. You get me reading that, and oh, tempting.
Going for a cup of coffee?
Yeah, we're gonna go here for a coffee. Are we just having a coffee or anything with it?
There you go.
Cheers, thank you. When we record, all we need to say is and action.
Made with local salt from rhubarb.
Demonstration will start in about 6 minutes time. We're going to be making some Thai food with Lynn from Tet. We'll start that very, very shortly. While they're preparing, I mean, I'm salivating looking at what's here. So this is going to be a lovely, lovely mix of Asian fusion with some rhubarb. So yeah, start coming in, take your seats. We'll start in about 5 minutes time. Thank you. Morning to you. Good morning.
Good morning.
Lovely. Welcome to day 2 of the Rhubarb Festival. My name's Sam, and I've travelled all the way from the Curry Triangle to the Rhubarb Triangle to be here. So this is it's a nice change of scenery for me. We're starting our first demonstration with Lynn here from Tet. Now Tet is a Vietnamese stroke Thai. It's more Thai than Vietnamese, isn't it?
Yeah.
You've got a Thai restaurant on the corner, and today we're going to be cooking a Thai dish with a little bit of a rhubarb twist. Show of hands, who's heard of Tom Yum soup? Show of hands, if you haven't heard of Tom Yum soup, you're in for a treat. Tom Yum is a staple of Thai food. Thai food specialises in being hot, sour, sweet and salty, so it's something for all the taste buds.
First one, if any of you cannot find first lamb leaf in supermarket, please come to Tet. We'll give you some.
Has anybody, just quickly, has anybody not smelled galangang before? Has anybody not tasted galangang? You've all had, a few of you haven't tasted. Could I just go round and let people have a quick sniff? Have you got the,
Yes,
the
sure.
rest of the route?
Yeah.
I'll give people a quick sniff of the galangang, because it's a lot stronger than ginger.
It's stronger ginger.
So obviously there are things in this, Lynn's going to be bottling it up. We're not allowed to give it out to try, but if it's in the front, you happen to walk by it, have a sniff.
How long have you been here? I'm ready for video.
So we are serving it up. I think we have a massive round of applause, please, for staff from Ted. We'll try something now.
Thank you, yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you. Been an amazing day up to now. Never been to a Rhubarb Festival before, so a lot of what we've witnessed and heard about today, it's been pretty mind-blowing. So we're in the art house. Yeah, just relaxing, having a, you two are having cappuccino and I'm having a latte, and just still waiting on me scone. Where's it got? So I might have to go in there and chase it up any minute now if they don't soon hurry up. Yes. But other than that, yeah, so having a great time.
Can you stop sitting in the middle of things? It gets a bit inconvenient. That's the enjoyment.
My number one favourite. That and Iron Brew Wicked.